What's up, vlog? We're back with another video. We're here in Savannah, Georgia, playing against the Party Animals today. I know you're probably thinking, what's going on around me? And the truth of it is we're breaking a world record today. The most banana suits worn in one setting. And it's gonna be over 5,000. We broke this record like twice already, and we added more seats, so we're doing it again, just for fun. We played here 3 or 4 weekends the past couple months here, and I've done videos such as going undercover in the crowd, and also doing day in the life videos with Tanner Thomas, and even camping out here overnight at Grayson Stadium. And I haven't done a regular game day here in quite a while, so today I'm doing a regular game day, and I'm gonna show you what it looks like from my point of view as a banana ball player for the Bananas playing here at Grayson Stadium. And I'm gonna show you all the behind the scenes and the ins and outs of what we do as banana ball players here. And I hope you enjoy this vlog, and I'll see you throughout it. Peace.
Mauldin the hero, his second walk-off of the night. Bananas win 5-4.
All right, y'all, so right now we're at rehearsals, and so what rehearsals are is if you ever see like a viral video on TikTok or Instagram or Facebook or whatever, it's probably because of something we did at rehearsals and we did it in the game. So we try to find trending sounds, trending videos, trends, make up our own things, and that's what we post during big celebrations like walking off an inning, hitting a home run, getting hit by a pitch. And so that's what we do, is usually dances or something fun, something funny, and we get all the guys involved, and it's awesome. So that's what we're doing at rehearsals right now, and here's what it looks like.
Largest day banana fest in history. We are breaking the record for most people wearing banana costumes in one setting. We're breaking our own record, so that rocks. We do have our friends from Disney here today, so Mickey Mouse is here. Mickey will be here literally any second. We're gonna start the clock with Mickey, so Jesse's got some lines, so everybody give.
Learn the script.
Yeah, Jesse learns his lines. From there, celebrations. The first one is going to be, we're going to Disneyland. So whoever scores the run, we're gonna celebrate like we just won the Super Bowl. Everybody runs out. Like, I'm talking like, it's not like a normal jog out to home place. This is like a dog pile style. Get up, Sam's gonna come out with a mic and say, you guys just won the second inning. What are you guys gonna do next? And then everybody's gonna scream. No, we're going to Disneyland. We're not going to Disney World, we are going to Disneyland. You guys just won the second inning. What are you guys gonna do next? We're going to Disneyland! Good. Second run celebration will be children. This choreography is incredibly hard. It is professional level, and you guys are freaking dominating it. So really, really, really good job. From there, hit by pitch, I bet you won't. Let's go ahead and start with, we're going to Disneyland. Let's start with, we're going to Disneyland. All
right, like they said, Mickey Mouse is actually here, and I just saw Mickey Mouse. I don't think I've ever seen Mickey Mouse in person, and I don't know. Oh, here's Mickey right here. Look at Mickey right there. Alright, so I technically cannot film Mickey Mouse, but I'll show you a clip from the game if we walk off an inning and Mickey Mouse comes out. Alright, so this is the Justin Bieber celebration. If we score a run, we're doing this whole dance. Here's what it looks like. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and hold, and the hold, and the hold, out, and then the right, and the left, and the right, and oh, 1, 2, right, left, push back. Yep. Hey. Cool.
Chat, I'm cooked.
Chat, throw W's in the chat if that was good. Throw L's if we're cooked.
Nah. I'm with you, bro. You put my swing in the vlog. I watched it. I want to get my hit in there. You put my swing in there, but you didn't want to put my hit.
Sorry, I didn't remember how you got a hit, bro.
Oh, yeah.
We're like 85% good on that, but during the game we're gonna have 100%. It's gonna be sick. I think that's gonna do really good on TikTok. All right, so if we get hit by a pitch, we're doing something called I Bet You Won't. Here's what it looks like. Ty! Ty, you all right, bro?
That girl.
All right, vlog, I'm here with my old roommate, Christian Dearman. He's on the firefighters this year. Dude, you want to just say what's up to the vlog? What do you got?
What's up, vlog? I mean, if you're a firefighter fan, if you like some real action, if you like superheroes, come check us play this month. We're starting in Kansas City. It's going to be absolutely electric, and it's going to be against this guy right here. So just stay tuned and wait, and thanks for watching the vlog.
Let's go. You the man. Good to see you, bro. All right, so today we are breaking a record for the most banana suits at a baseball game, I believe. I think it's like over 5,000. I think we broke this record like 2 times, and our stadium keeps getting bigger, and so we keep breaking this record, and it gets bigger and bigger. So I'm sure this won't be our last time doing it, but pretty cool, though. A lot of people in banana suits. What's up, boys? What y'all got? What y'all got?
I'm trying to fight that gorilla. I would kick its butt.
Yeah, we'll probably eat him. We'll probably.
All right, so there's a thing on the internet going around. Can 100 men beat 1 gorilla? And I said, I think Stilts will probably eat him.
Hey, gorilla meat, I mean, probably good. So I think the men take it down. I'd take it down. I got all the
weapons.
All right, y'all, we got something going on with Sunbum today, so look at this. Don't know what this is, but we're gonna find out. All right, y'all, we're gonna unbox this Sunbum package right here. Let's do it. Ooh. All right, first thing we got is a little air freshener, banana flavored or banana scented. And we got a little face and body stick right here. We got a little daily gel right there. And we got some moisturizing lotion. Look at this. Oh, there's one more thing. Hold on. Little cocoa bomb. I don't know what that is, but we're gonna try it out. Thanks, Sunbum. All right, so Baseball Lifestyle came in here, hooking us up with some cool gear. I got some cool shorts. Look at these bad boys. Ooh, these are nice. Some of these right here. All right, y'all, it's time for BP on the field. We're gonna take some batting practice, get this day going. We're ready to rock and roll. Let's go.
Breathe. I fixed what I should have left broke. Vice grip when I should have let go. I quit, but you're running me out of common sense. Baby, I'm an optimist. Cross lines when you're pushing up.
All right, y'all, we're gonna take some ground balls, but y'all know what that means. It means trick plays. So let's do it. Hey, what the dog doing, bro? Bro, no, dude. I saw it out of the side of my eye, but you didn't say nothing.
Well, I thought you saw it. That's why I was like this. Oh, he's got it.
No.
He kept going. I was like,
I literally saw it in my peripherals, and I was like, all right, maybe Baby will say something. Yeah, bro.
All right, guys, Andy Archer here. Glove finally came in. I designed it like 9 months ago, last September. It turned out amazing. I'm so happy about it. Obviously got the flag, you know, so proud and thankful to be born in this country. Bananas 24, that's my number. We got the island chain, shout out to the 808. Feeling kind of homesick these days, so it's fun to, you know, get this surprise today, and missing Hawaii a lot, but thankful to have a cool glove and break it in as fast as we can and hopefully get out in front of these fans.
All right, y'all, it's about 4 o'clock right now. We're dressed a little early. I think we're taking some pictures with Mickey Mouse, and then we're going to VIB, which is very important bananas, and that's where we have the very important bananas. They come in early. We get to sign autographs for them, take some pictures, hang out with them for a little bit, and then we're gonna open this place up and get the crowd in here. So we're rocking and rolling. It's a good day. All right, so we just got to meet a little kid named Linwood. He's a Make-A-Wish kid, and he came here. He loves the bananas and he loves music. Super sweet. He loves baseball, and that's only one of the cool opportunities that we get to have all the time. So getting to be part of these things is super special. I think we're about to go meet. I think we're taking a picture with Mickey Mouse, I believe. All right, y'all, it is VIB time. Very important bananas. Y'all know how it goes. Let's do this.
I just want to say that I think the gorilla would absolutely wax 100 men. So that's what I got to say.
I don't think so. I highly disagree with you, partner. Well, heck yeah. Well, thank y'all for making the trip. Yeah. Yeah, of course.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank y'all for being here. Y'all have fun today, okay?
Absolutely.
All right, we're at VIB right now, and look at these. Look at this. Look how cool this is. How awesome is that? Someone painted me this. And then I got some more stuff. Look, I got an apron for when I'm cooking. Look at that. Come on. And then a coloring book. Hold on. Look at this coloring book. Let me find it. Hold on. Look how cool that is. Someone drew that. Isn't that awesome? Thank y'all. Love the gifts.
You what's real. I can try to fight these feelings, but I can't stop. You're no good for me. You ain't the one for me.
All right, y'all, it is a beautiful day here. We're about to get rocking and rolling. Me and Ryan Cox are about to stretch and throw, get this thing going. It's a good day. We're getting a lot of people wearing these banana suits. We're about to break a world record, which is pretty dope. Rocking the orange glove today. You already know. It's a good day. Let's get it. All right, here's how you work on your transfers while warming up. Watch this. Just like that. One more time. All right, next thing I'm gonna go sing In the Air Tonight in front of the fans, and we're gonna rock and roll. So I'm gonna go do that in just a second. All right, y'all, I just sang In the Air Tonight, did our warm up. Now the party animals are coming in. Let's do this thing. It's a good day, y'all. That actually scared me. Let's do this thing, come on. All right, Doc, what you got on the score today?
Bruh, Reggie had, let me tell you something. Reggie had a Dave's Hot Chicken, and every time he has Dave's Hot Chicken here, we lose. It's been like 6 games in a row, but today we're gonna break it, and I think we're gonna win like 2-1. He ate it today again, but like if we don't win, Reggie's done eating Dave's Hot Chicken before games.
No more Daves, for real. All right, y'all, we're announcing the lineups. Let's get after it, bro. right, y'all, about to get this thing going. Let's do this thing. Hold on, what the? Who is this? Oh my gosh, it's Mickey.
Well, we're getting ready to start the clock. Mickey, can you help with that?
I thought you didn't ask. 1, 2, 3.
Start the clock! It's showtime! One more time, Mickey Mouse!
Hey. All right, you heard Mickey. It's showtime. Let's do it. It's coming back, coming back. All right, a hot start. Let's do this thing. Come on. All right, vlog. Tanner's up. See what he's got. Oh boy. Ball's hit well. Get there, Doc. Get there, Doc. Get there, Doc. Oh my. Wow. That was a bomb. Good swing, Tanner. All right, y'all. Score update. Bananas are down 2-1. Second inning. Let's go. All right, y'all, a little score update right now. It is the 5th inning and Bananas are down 3-0. We got to step it up a little bit, and that's what we about to do. Let's go. All right, so me, KJ, and Ziggy just ran with the Sun Bum mascot during the 3-2. It was actually hilarious. Here's what it looked like. A bunch of kids were chasing us. Here's what it looked like.
This is Toy right here with my boy Dan. Just doing a little game update. We're in the middle of the 5th. Down 3-0 right now. You know what I'm saying, Dan?
Cut. All right, Bill Leroy's up. Let's see what you got, Billy. Come on. Good swing. Go. Reese, good catch, bruh. How's a good swing? All right, y'all. We just broke the world record. 4,327 people wearing a banana suit at one time. You're experiencing history, everyone. Look around. Look at this. Look at this. Breaking world records. Crazy. All right, y'all. We finally won an inning. It is 3-1. Party Animals still, but we got time left. We're only in the 7th inning. That's no biggie. Hey, I just got $100 from Malachi. Let's go. Keep going. All right, y'all. Stilts is coming in to pitch. Come on, Stilts. He actually don't look that tall from this angle. I ain't gonna lie. Quick, what do you got right now?
Home
Stilts
run.
versus Noah.
Home run.
Me too, Stilts. Sorry, buddy. Oh my. No way. No way, no way. Oh my gosh. All right, Stilts, we're sorry.
Stilts, but that was a ball.
That's on us, man. We called that. Good swing, Noah. Yeah, that's the second one of the game. All right, y'all, this is called yellow. Look how pretty this is. See, isn't that pretty? I told you. All right, y'all, score update. It is the 8th inning. Bananas are down 3-2. We got a little more time left. I got a good feeling about this. We got this. Let's go. Good job, Bill. Atta boy. Let's go. All right, KJ's up. Come on, KJ. Attaboy, KJ. Good job. Attaboy. Good AB. All right, y'all. We just need one more hit to walk this inning off and tie it up 3-3. Let's go.
Point right out of boy.
All right, DR has a chance to walk this off. Come on, DR. Come on. Come on, DR. Come on. All right, y'all. It is the 9th inning. Bananas are down 3-2. We got to hold them here, and we got to score 2 runs. Let's go. We're going to win this thing. Come on. All right, y'all. So we ended up holding them in the 9th inning. So now we have 3 outs to score 2 runs and win this thing. Reese and Lexiatis is up. Let's go, Reese. All right, we got 1 down. Come on, Dan. Here we go. All right, we got 2 down. 1 more. We got to score 2 runs. Let's go.
Get through there. Get through there, Cox.
Good job. All right, Cox had a hit, so Prime's up. We got a chance here.
Good down. God bless.
And that's it. The Party Animals take the dub tonight here in Grayson Stadium. We'll be back tomorrow. We're going to get them tomorrow. Let's go.
I'm in a new phase, baby, and I don't wanna change it. You're never getting off my mind. Not what I'm used to lately, but I just gotta say it. Something about you feels so right.